In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in monday.com and template to use. 5 minutes. First, sign into your monday.com account so you're on your main workspace. From there, look for the plus icon and click it, then choose board. This is where your project plan will live. Instead of building from scratch, select Start with Template. Using a template saves setup time and gives you a proven structure that's easy to customize. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Single Project. This template is designed for a focused end-to-end project, which makes it perfect for creating a clear, trackable plan. Click on Single Project to open the preview so you can see the columns and sample layout, then hit Use Template to add it to your account. If prompted, place it in the workspace where your team collaborates and you're ready to tailor it. Begin by organizing your board into groups that represent the phases of your project. Common examples include initiation, planning, execution, and closeout, but use labels that match your workflow. Clear phase groups make it easy to see progress from start to finish and help stakeholders understand where everything sits at a glance. Within each phase group, break down your deliverables into individual items. Think of each item as a key task or outcome that must be completed within that phase. For more granular steps under a task, use sub-items. Sub-items are great for checklists, handoffs, or multi-step tasks where you want to track smaller actions without cluttering the main board. Next, assign ownership with the people column. Every item should have a single accountable owner, so there's no ambiguity about who's driving it forward. Then use the date column to set realistic deadlines. Dates help you prioritize, trigger reminders, and make sure work moves on schedule. If your task has a known duration, set the date accordingly and confirm it with the assignee. To sequence the work, add a dependency column and link tasks that must finish before others can begin. This reduces bottlenecks and automatically highlights when a delay in one area might impact the next. Keep dependencies simple and avoid circular links to maintain a clean, logical flow. Finally, add a Gantt or timeline view. These views translate your items, dates, and dependencies into a visual schedule, making it easy to spot overlaps, adjust timing, and communicate the plan. Update the board as work progresses and your views will stay accurate. That's it. Your project plan is structured, assigned, scheduled, and visualized. Save your board, share it with your team, and you're ready to execute with confidence.